Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss hydrology. Hydrology may be defined as the science which deals with the depletion and replenishment of the water resources. It deals with the water surface as well as groundwater. It is also concerned with the transportation of water from one place to another and from one form to another. Hydrology aims to answer the following major questions: how is the water going to precipitate? How is water going to behave? What will happen to water after precipitation? So, answer of these questions we will discuss about the hydrological cycle. This is the hydrological cycle. This is the schematic diagram of a hydrological cycle. Here you can see this diagram. This is the precipitation, or we can say in any form of precipitation, that means the rain, snow, hail, sleet, frost, fog, etc. Then here you can see this is the earth surface and this is the ocean, and here the some arrows are represented the evaporation from the ocean, and this is the transpiration, and this is the percolation. So this is the simple schematic diagram of hydrological cycle. So most of the earth water resources such as rivers, lakes, oceans and underground water resources, etc., get their supply from the rains, while the rainwater itself is the evaporation from these sources. Water is lost to the atmosphere as vapor from earth, which is then precipitated back in the form of rain, snow, hail, dew, sleet or frost, etc. This evaporation and precipitation continue forever, and thereby a balance is maintained between the two. This process is known as hydrological cycle, which is explained in this figure. Or hydrological equation can be expressed as P equals to R plus A, where P is precipitation, R runoff and is evaporation. So we will discuss about the precipitation. What is the precipitation? So it includes all the water that falls from atmosphere to earth surface. I repeat, it includes all the water that falls from atmosphere to earth surface. This is precipitation. So precipitation may be of two types, that is liquid precipitation, or second one is solid precipitation. Liquid, that means rainfall, and solid precipitation, that means snow, hail, and the second next one is runoff. So there are two terms, runoff and surface runoff. The runoff and surface runoff are two different terms and should be confusing or should be confused. Runoff means runoff includes all the water flowing in the stream channel at any given section, while the surface runoff includes all the water that reaches the stream channel without first percolating down to the water table. This is the main difference between the surface of runoff and runoff. And last one is evaporation. So evaporation, that means a transfer of water from liquid to vapor, as you know very well. This state is called evaporation. And one more term you have already seen in this diagram, this is transpiration. So what do you mean by the transpiration? So this is the process by which water is released to the atmosphere by the plants, is called transpiration. So this is the hydrological cycle. So we have already discussed about the hydrological cycle, and in the further lecture we will discuss about hydrographs and other hydrology. Hydrographs, mass curve, flow duration curve, many curves are also there. So thank you very much.